It wasn't about being the best or being the greatest there ever was. As long as I had the better fidget spinner, a fucking fidget spinner.
Yeah?
Casey, you couldn't come up with anything better?
What do you mean? This is genius.
Genius? You're calling a fidget spinner genius?
Tim, think about it. What's something that people have never seen before but have the ability to do? They could fidget spin.
Casey, you're a complete moron. Football, skateboarding, cheerleading, heck, even chess would have been more goddamn amusing than a fidget spinner.
Tim, those are still typical. We're not trying to give a good story here. We're trying to create a new one.
Casey, it doesn't matter how new the story is if it's crap.
Tim, you gotta look at the bigger picture here. These things are the hardest on the...
Don't give me that bullshit.
But they are. Ah.
Yeah, for freaking kids and people with half brains like you.
Fine. You're probably right. Did you have any ideas, by the way?
No, but if I did, it wouldn't be as dumb as a fidget spinner.
Well, what if I told you you are a fidget spinner? Who's the half brain now?
It's very cool.